Okay, thank you for your cooperation today. Oh. Okay, now we're back to bar charts, yeah? Okay, for this one, can you read the question first? From the very first sentence.
The water shows information about the average temperature on an island. What was the average temperature in March?
What was the average temperature in March?
Median. Add all the numbers.
Okay, do number A first. See the bar?
Add them all. Wait, no.
For March.
Median.
For March, you only need to see here.
Oh, the 22.
Yes, 22. 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, how about B?
May.
May. Okay, 26 is May. Okay, how about C? What is happening to the average temperatures between January until January and July? Is it increasing or decreasing?
What is happening to the average between January and July? Average-nya apa sih?
From January to July, does the temperature increase or decrease or stay
Increase.
the same?
Increase.
Increasing, yeah? Increase. Okay, D. Between which 2 months was there the greatest rise in the temperature?
Between which 2 months has the great rise in temperature? June and July.
No, yang paling gede kenaikannya. So, the second month minus the first month. Yang gapnya paling tinggi.
Hah? Yang mana?
Between which 2 months yang gap temperature-nya paling tinggi. For example, kalau between April and May, the gapnya ini kan, May is 26 minus April is like 23. The gap is 3 Celsius. And then try another one, for example, May to June. June is 28, and then May is 26. So the gap is 2 Celsius. Okay, from April to May and May to June. April to May is April to May has greater rise than May to June. Okay, for D, you need to search what is the greatest rise between 2 months. Yang naiknya paling jauh.
Yang naik paling jauh.
Yep.
Yang Februari sama March.
Yes, February and March. Gapnya berapa? What is the gap? Gap for February and March. What is the temperature on March?
What did you say?
What is the temperature in March?
The temperature in March is 22.
Yes, 22. How about in February?
In February is 14.
14. Okay, so 22 minus 14. What is 22 minus 14?
the gap between February and March?
Yep.
8.
8. Okay. So it's 8 Celsius. Yang paling tinggi. The greatest rise. Okay, next question. Okay, read the question first from the very top.
The bar chart shows information about the ice cream sold in the shop. How many ice cream were sold on Tuesday? 100. On which day were the least number of ice cream sold? Monday, which is like, wait, like 80. Why do you think so many ice creams were sold on Tuesday? How am I supposed to know? On which 2 days were the same number of ice creams sold? Wednesday and Friday. How many ice creams were sold in total? 80, 180, and then 180, 360, 360, 500, and then 500. Wait, no, that's 680.
The total is 680.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, let's see your answer. So how many ice cream were sold on Tuesday? 100. On which day? Least number Monday. Okay. Okay, so Thursday is uh the greatest number of ice cream sold is on Thursday. Why do you think is it?
What?
The greatest number of ice cream that is sold is on Thursday. Why is it? Why is it on Thursday? Why it's not Wednesday or Friday or any other day? Or C, why do you think there are so many ice cream were sold on Thursday?
Hmm?
By looking at the graph, at the bar chart. Why is the greatest number of ice cream sold is on Thursday?
Why do you think so many ice cream was sold on Thursday? How am I supposed to know?
Okay, from by looking at the bar graph.
Because it's a hot day?
Okay, so the answer is by looking at the bar graph, you know that the greatest number of ice cream sold is on Thursday because the bar is the highest. This one is the highest one, right?
Oh my god, what the heck is that? I thought there was supposed to be because it's sunny, because it's a hot day.
No, just look by looking at the graph. You know that
Okay.
that's the reason. Okay, on which 2 days were the same number of ice cream sold? Okay, Wednesday and Friday, betul. How many ice cream were sold in total? So it's 80 plus 100 plus 180 plus 340 plus 180. Okay, it's 180 plus 180. 340. Times 3. Ini 340. Supposed to. Betul. Wait. No, it's supposed to be 880.
I wish I can just wish.
180 plus 180 plus 100, 180. And then 180 plus 180. And then plus another 180. Become 540. And then plus 340. 540 plus 340 equals to 880. Okay, this one is 340. 340. Okay, do you have any question for this one?
No.
Okay, let's continue. This one is double bar chart. So there are two bar charts here. Dual bar chart, not double bar chart. This one is dual bar chart. Okay. Have you learned it at school? This kind of bar chart? Yeah, I think you can read the question first from the very top.
Hmm? Oh, my bad, my bad. The dual bar chart shows the number of goals by Max, Harry, and Jack last season and this season. How many goals did Jack score last season?
Last season is the brown one.
Well,
Yep, 12. Okay, how about B?
how many goals did Max scored? Like 11.
Yeah, it's 11.
How many less goals has Harry scored this season than last season?
Okay, so for the gap here,
10 and 15 is 5.
okay, so 15 minus 10 to 5. Okay, I want to give you another question. Okay, how about how many goals did Harry score last season? How many goals did Harry score last season? Ini nggak jadi Harry deh. I change it to Max. How many goals did Max score last season? And then, how many?
Huh? How
For
many goals?
D, how many goals did Max
Goals
score
what?
last
A.
season?
How many? What? How many?
Okay, D, berapa tadi? What's the answer for D?
How many more goals has Jack scored this season than last season? 4 more goals. What is the average score for what?
Okay, you can write it. You can write your answer on the screen.
What is the average score for Harry? 12.
Well,
Is
okay.
what you mean by average score?
So average score. So you only have to count. You need to add the last season with this season and divide them by 2.
What? Fifth, 5.
Okay, from D. What's your answer for D? How many goals did Max score last season?
Hmm? Oh, mama lagi.
You can write your answer on the screen, yeah?
How many goals did Max score last season? 8. How many more goals did Jack score this season than last season? Whoa. 4.
Okay, F. For F, you need to search for the mean. So it's last season score plus this season score. Ini kurang sih.
Oh my god.
For the mean.
Last season score and this season score 10. 10 plus 15 is 25.
Okay, 10 plus 15 divide by 2. So 25 divided by 2 equal Are you going to punch me?
No, I'm punching the camera. Oh my god. Okay, 25 2. Okay, that's it.
25 divided by 2.
12.5.
Okay, 12.5. So the average score for this season and last season is 12.5.
And if it's rounded, it's 13.
Yep, that's right. Okay, for the next question. So read the question, please, from the very top. Another dual bar chart.
Oh my god, 13 minutes left, man. Seriously? Oh, why does time take so long, bro? When I play games, it's fast. When I don't play games, it's not. I hate time.
Yes, because time flies fast when you do something that you like and it.
That's why I hate time.
Yes.
I want to delete it. And the only thing I want is morning. At night,
Morning. Why?
at night, I'm scared.
Night is peaceful.
Night? Nah, sun is more peaceful. Night is scary.
No, it's not. Just turn
It
on
is.
your light.
But what if the lights go out?
Close your eyes and
But what
go to
if there's
sleep.
something in front of me randomly?
So you won't see nothing and you won't hear nothing when you sleep. So you won't get scared. Okay, read the question, please, from the very first sentence.
The budget of the total house of sunshine is the over 4 months into 242. How many more hours of sunshine were there in February 24th than February 2024? There were 20 more.
20 more,
How
okay.
many more sunshine were there in April? Okay, April. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60 more. No, that was, yeah, 60 more.
Okay.
Yes, there were 60. Okay. There were twice as many hours of sunshine in April. How many hours of sunshine were there in May 2024? In May, there's no May. Oh, there were twice as many sunshines in May 2024. That means May had like 340, right?
Yeah, so it's April 2024 to April
Times 2.
2024 is 110 times 2. So,
Oh, 220.
yeah, 220. Okay, for B, April 2024, 2014 is 150. And March 2014. Okay, that's right, 60. And February, okay, that's right, 20. From 90 minus
Always stay with me.
70. Okay, another one. Another dual bar chart. Okay, can you read the question, please, from the top?
Get such information about the number of buses goes at the three total should be served. See. How many boys are there in 7B? There are 16 boys. Which tutor has 12 girls? C. Which tutor has more girls than boys? A. Which tutor has the same number of boys and girls? C. Which tutor has the most students?
Yeah, you have to count for this one. What is the
C.
total students for
C. C.
7?
C. C.
Okay,
C. C.
see.
How many more girls than boys are there in 7A? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 more girls. How many boys are there in year 7? I don't know. How am I supposed to know? Yeah, how am I supposed to know?
You need to add boys from 7A, 7B, and 7C.
All of them?
Yep, total number of boys.
9 plus 16 is 25 plus 12 is 37.
Okay,
How
37.
many students are there in year 7? Okay, 37 plus 13, 20, and 32. 32 plus 37 is 69. Are there more boys or girls in year 7? More boys.
Boys. Okay, let's see
Okay,
your
done.
answer.
Can we leave?
For, okay, how many boys? Oh, how many students in total for 7A?
Are you just making it up?
Yep,
There are 22 students.
22. Okay. How about 7B? How many students are there? Total number of students for 7B. What is the total number of students for 7B? 7B.
Bro, why did my cat attack my feet? Okay, what now?
What is the
Oh,
total number of students for
16
7B?
plus 7. 16 plus 7
Hmm,
is
Into 7.
23. 23. 7C is 24.
7C is 24. Tadi 7B berapa? 22 or 23?
23.
23, okay. Okay, how about the number of students that are girls? Total number of girls in year 7.
32.
Okay, 32. Okay,
Hmm. Okay.
now back
Change
to the
board.
previous one. I want to ask you another questions. So what is the average hours of sunshine from January until April in 2024? What is the average hour of sunshine from January until April in 2024? Average is mean, so you need to count the mean. Hello, Fio.
Yes.
What is the average hour of sunshine from January until April in
Oh, hell no.
2024? Okay, one more question and then we're done.
No, my cat. She
What
just
happened?
broke out the whole seat. Okay. Average hour of sunshine, January until April. What do you mean?
So you need to search for the mean. So you need to add from January
Yes,
plus
can you
uh,
just give me the number and then I'll add it up?
March plus, no, you need to search for the number for yourself. You need to look by yourself. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. One last question.
January is 60.
Okay, and then
February is 70. March is 90. April is 110.
okay, add all of them.
Okay, 60 uh
Oh,
plus
mm-hmm.
60 plus 70 is 6 plus 7, 13 plus 0, 130 plus 90 is equal to Wait. 220 plus 110 is 330.
Okay, so 330 divided by 4.
Yeah, 334 divided is 80. I don't know. 330 divided by 4. I don't know.
Hey, try to count it. 330 divided by 4.
82.5.
Okay, 82.5. Okay, it's 2031 already. So we are done for today.
Yay, finally.
Yay. Thank you, PO, for today. Next week, we'll have a mini test, okay?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.